What's up, guys? The Bird Biker here, and today we have a simple video, and this just to share my experience regarding this Freya body. And actually, we will going to remove the Freya body of this wheel, and then I just want to share it to you because this is the first time that I open this kind of or remove this kind of Freya body that from Shimano. So this is the Freya body, guys. This is from Syncross. Actually, this is from a Scott bike, a Scott scale bike with the Syncross wheel set. It's a Syncross. It's a X30 SE, by the way. X30 SE wheel set with the Syncross hub with Shimano Freya body, the HG Freya body. So actually, I pre-installed the new Freya body. So I just want to share how I remove this Freya body because this is my first time that I remove this in a different way for the Freya body. So normally, guys, if you're going to remove the Freya body for the Shimano, is we're using this Allen keys. It's size 15 or 14 or 16 or 17. So this is mostly what we're using to remove this Freya body. This is like the basic Freya body of Shimano. So this is the tools that we use to remove it. But for this one, I will show you how to remove it. So we were gonna use the tools, by the way. Um, we need to have the punch tool to remove the bearing and a socket wrench and a rubber mallet. And this is the tool, guys, that you need, the specific tool to remove this. This is a spline tool. So it's a spline and it's the measurement is M17. So this is with the zero point 0.5 or one half socket. So this is what we're going to use to remove this. So actually, this is my first, and that's why I just want to share it to you. I don't know if you already managed to remove this one, but to those who don't know, this is the tool that we need to remove this. So let me show it to you right now. So guys, going to show you how to remove it. So normally, actually, we need as well, by the way, size 17 and 18 open spanner for this one to remove. So this is the open spanner that we need to remove because for this one, for this, see this one, for the nut here. Normally when you open this, you cannot open it here or it will be open on the other side as well. So it depends. So by the way, because this is a pre-installed one, so it's I loosen all the nuts already. So I just going to use my hand because the most important part is to remove this. All right. So first thing that we need to do is to remove the nut so that we can remove the axle. So this axle can be removed. So once you clear this side or the other side, you can just punch it with the rubber mallet to remove the axle. So when you remove the axle, normally the bearing on the other side will still remain in the hub, here, or it will move together with the axle. So this is the axle. This is a true axle rear hub boost for Scott scale. So this is the axle, guys. So why we need to remove the bearing, this bearing from here, because we need an access of this. So this one will go inside here, to access the socket for the preamp, to remove. So let me just open this one. Actually, I just bought this one, guys, because it's very unique. It's very special tool for this. That's why I just bought it, and then I just realized that I need this to open the Syncross Freya body. So I just connect it with the socket wrench, So like this, put it inside. So to open it, it should be counterclockwise. So you counterclockwise this, and you are gonna see something inside. It's very different. All right. So I remove it. Look, guys, the Freya body was removed from the hub. Okay. So I will show you what's inside. All right. So this is the Freya body of Synchros, and this is the nut, or the one that locks inside. So it's compressing the Freya body to the hub, to the main hub, like this. And it's using a microspline socket, or what they call this tool, or microspline key to remove this, like this. So counterclockwise to remove, and then you can open this, or you can remove the Freya body. So to install it like that, same way, and then tight it inside, and then put everything. So that's it, guys. I just want to share to you so that you will be aware of this one. So this is from Synchros hub with a Shimano Freya body. And normally this kind of Freya body is like a ball bearing inside, and if you don't properly take care of this one, the ball bearings will get rusty, or with the dirt inside, and you will have a very bad play on this one, and then you just need to replace the whole thing to fix it. So that's it, guys. I hope it helps. So thank you very much.